Mixing clips with different formats. I notice that I have mail and open my email client. It's a Spartan order from PayPal. I scroll down to see which edition it is. It's the standard edition. I now have to reply to this, sending the client his download instructions. I have a macro clip for this. It's ST, The macro pastes in 3 separate clips. The first clip has formatting specific to my email client. The second is formatted in rich text, and the signature block is a Spartan date-time clip. The 3 formats cannot be combined, so my macro has to paste 3 separate clips. This is how it's done. The clip which pastes the 3 formats is a script. It pastes the clip D162, followed by D163, followed by D100. This is clip D162. D162 is the clip with the red M8 software formatting for my email program. This is D163. 163 is the rich text format with the download URL, and D100 is the signature block with the date-time formatting. I select and cut the script. I then load my macros view and paste in the script, adding ST, as the macro trigger. I change back to standard view and minimize Spartan. Now, whenever I get an order for Spartan Standard, I just hit reply and type ST, Saving multiple clips as files. Let's say you've just captured these graphics from the web and you want to save them as files. Select them, right-click, and click Save As. Choose the folder to save to, the name for the first clip, and click Save. Spartan saves all the clips, incrementing the number part of the clip name on each iteration. Changing your choice of highlight colours. Spartan provides you with a choice of 15 highlight colours. You can change any of them. Right-click on the colour you want to change, select the colour you want to change it to, and click OK. Popping up the yellow section at the mouse position. Let's say you've copied some texts from the web and you want to paste them to Word. Put the mouse where you want the yellow section to appear, hold down the Control key, the Alt key and the left mouse button until Spartan appears. The yellow section stays on top of Word so you can paste all the text you've copied without stopping. When you've finished, click the plus sign to return Spartan to its previous size and position. Copying a sheet or a column. You can copy a sheet or you can copy a column. Having copied a column, you can paste it to any empty column on this or any other sheet. If you copy a sheet, you can paste it to any other blank sheet. Exporting and importing sheets. You can export a sheet for use on another computer. Choose the disk and folder to save to, and click Save. On the other computer, select a blank sheet and click Import Sheet. Select the folder with the sheet data and click OK. The Color Picker. Spartan includes a color picking tool. With it, you can find the color value of any pixel on your screen. Simply point to any pixel on your screen and hit the Escape key. Spartan leaves the value on the Windows clipboard and also at the top of the yellow section in Spartan. You can have the value in one of 4 formats. This is the format used in VBA and Visual Basic. The second format shows 6 characters, 2 for the red, 2 for the green and 2 for the blue hex values. Number 3 is the decimal value of the pixel. And number 4 is the separate decimal values for red, green and blue. The Color Picker dialog includes a selection of colors to help you choose, but you can get the value of any pixel on your screen. Just move the mouse to the color you want. This is the value that will be recorded when you hit the Escape key. Hitting Escape now. Reminders. Got an appointment you don't want to miss? Set a reminder here. Markers. With Spartan, you can position a marker over one window while you work in another. Drag the red rectangle to move the marker. Right-click on the rectangle to adjust its size and color. The marker remains attached to the window you put it over when you move the window. It also remains attached when you minimize and restore the window. Restoring now. The marker is still there to remind me how far I had got through this poem. Splitting quips. This is a list of poems by Rudyard Kipling. I want to be able to paste them separately as headings in sections of a document. I don't want to copy them one at a time, so I select them all and copy them as a single quip. Right-click and click Split Quip. Ensure that New Line is selected as the separator and click OK. Spartan creates a separate quip for each poem. Delete the original quip and move the separate quips to permanent stories on a sheet. Gathering multiple Windows quips into one Spartan quip. This is the Google News website. I want to collect the headlines in a single quip to paste to my blog. I go to the Copy menu and select multiple Windows quips into one quip. In this dialog, I select blank line as the separator between the quips. I start to copy the headlines. Ctrl-C, 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 and Ctrl-C again. I close the collection window and the combined clip appears in the yellow section. I bring up Notepad and paste in the headlines I've gathered. Copying into predefined texts. With Spartan, you can have text clips you copied automatically injected into predefined texts. From the Copy menu, select this item. Type in the text you want to use and mark the positions where you want the clip to appear with $% signs. Give the text a title and close the dialog. Family Tree now appears on the Copy menu. Let's try it out. I type the name Smith, select it and cut it, then paste it back. Spartan pastes back the predefined text with Smith injected into it.